You guys got to see what we found on the Bourbon Barrel Homestead and Apothecary today. This is the craziest thing. I'm seriously, look, I've been gardening pretty much my whole life, and I am 51 years old. I have never in my life seen anything like this. So you see here we have a large pot. I think this may be 12 by 12, maybe a little bit bigger even. But these are sweet potato slips, okay? Now what I did was I tried to grow the sweet potato slips with the usual method where you put half the potato in a jar of water with the sticks, and they didn't grow. And I left them there for a long time, well over 2 months. But then I took the whole potato, and we're talking a potato that's like this big, okay, and I put it in this pot. Get a shot of this. This is this potato in this pot. Can you see that potato? That is huge, okay, and it's been in here for something like 4 or 5 months. And so it just constantly grows these slips. Today I come out here and I was just digging around to see what's going on in here, and I found a grub worm, okay? I'm going to show you this grub worm. You see this dude? And so I think grubs are really bad for your roots, but they're good for chickens. Let me tell you, chickens will tear them up. So I'm like, okay, well, let's see if there's maybe one more in here. And I found one more grub. But then I started finding a lot of grubs. Come and look at this. I literally have pulled out, can you see that really good? 30 grubs out of two pockets in here. Like they were stacked up like a nest. I've never seen 30 grub worms in one pot. I've never seen a grub in a pot in the first place, but I'm not surprised that there's grubs in here. But 30 grubs in one pot, have you ever seen anything like that? If you've seen anything like that, and it don't seem to be eating the potato or the roots or anything. But if you've ever seen anything like that, leave it down in the comments. Let me know that I'm not crazy, because 30 grubs, they're going to make my chickens fat, but I'm not going to let them get fat off my potatoes.